Life does not get easier. You only become stronger. The scars on your body, the scars on your face are symbols of experience that you met in life. Your boyfriend chucked you, your girlfriend chucked you, your husband divorced you, your wife divorced you, your business collapsed, you lost your job, you lost your loved ones. All these are hardships in life, but in between them, there are lessons you can learn. As you keep learning, you keep storing strength, you keep charging the battery of your strength, and finally, you become stronger. And at times, you will feel like life has become easier. No, it has not become easy. You have just become stronger. Not that life became easy.